You probably know you need a field to grow corn. Did you know you need a field to grow a universe? Let's assume you know God made the universe. Now let's see what he made it from and how he keeps it here. Everything is made from stuff, real stuff. Stars and planets and trees and gorillas are all made from the same kind of stuff. Science has found the tiniest things that make all this stuff are atoms. They're God's smallest building blocks. Now you might have heard of subatomic particles that are seen in atom smashing machines. But when you smash an atom into pieces, those particles aren't real. I'm not kidding. Stuff just stops existing when you break apart its atoms. The word particle sounds like a piece of dust or a crumb, but subatomic particles are not particles at all. They're probabilities. You might have heard of quantum mechanics, which researches this non-stuff stuff. Quantum science uses a made-up name for these probability particles, quark. Quarks and their partners gluons are what God uses to make stuff. But they are not stuff. They're a force, actually a force field. And the quarks exist only as a probability of how much of that force is in a given area of the field. You also have to understand that this thing I'm calling force isn't like any force we know, like electricity or gravity or magnetism. No, it's not anything science can explain or grasp. It's the framework of existence, what makes things be. Scripture reveals God says be, and it is. This must mean God, wills the whole force field framework into existence. But now we have science confirming this is the way stuff actually is generated into being. One more thing. This quantum field reality has science showing one of the most awesome things about God. We now know the entire universe is because of the quantum field, held in existence because God is forming it all by the power of his will. So only he can exist all by himself. This science helps us see and worship God so much better and clearer. But to get there, you need to check out what science knows. You can hear this confirmed all science-y on YouTube. Type in quantum fields.